everyone. Today, we are going to use our critical thinking skills to solve some riddles. Critical thinking is a process that helps you use your experience, knowledge, and creativity to solve complex problems. It's like a superpower that anyone can use. You might not know all of these answers, but don't worry, practice makes progress. The most important thing you can do is have fun while you learn. Ready to get started? Let's go! Riddle 1. A word I know, 6 letters it contains, remove 1 letter, and 12 remain. What is it? That is a tricky one. Have you figured it out? The answer is dozens, because it is 6 letters long, and if you remove the S, you get the word dozen, which means 12. That was fun. Let's try another one. Riddle 2. I am an odd number. Take away a letter, and I become even. What number am I? What do you think? If you came up with the answer 7, you are right, because 7 is an odd number. And what happens when you take away the letter S from the word 7? You literally get the word even. So cool. Riddle 3. How many months in the year have 28 days? This riddle really tickles the brain. The answer is all of them. Because every month of the year has at least 28 days. Math skills are required for this next riddle. So let's get our math brains ready. Riddle 4. Using only addition and 8 eighths. How do you get 1,000? For this one, you might need a scratch paper. Well, what do you think? The correct answer is 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. We don't know about you, but now we are in the mood for a game of crazy eights. Riddle 5. Where can you find cities, towns, shops, and streets, but no people? This is an interesting one. Think you know the answer? Good guess. The answer is a map. That is a fun riddle you could definitely share with your friends. Riddle 6. What is always in front of you but cannot be seen? Stumped? It is the future. Because it is always in front of you but also invisible because it has not happened yet? Clever, right? Riddle 7. What is full of holes but still holds water? When it comes to this answer, sponge is the word. Look at all those holes, and yet it still holds water. Having fun? We have 3 more cool riddles to solve, starting with this one. Riddle 8. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? Ooh, another word problem. What do you think the answer is? It is the word short, which literally becomes shorter when you add the letters E and R to the word. Riddle 9. The more of me there is, the less you see. What am I? This is a tricky one. Did you guess darkness? Because that is the answer. Last but not least is riddle number 10. Light as a feather, there is nothing in it, but the most muscular person cannot hold it much more than a minute. Let's see. Whatever the answer is, it is not heavy, filled with nothing, but even the strongest person cannot hold it for much more than a minute. Do you know the answer? That is right. It is breath. Great use of critical thinking skills, brainiacs. If you had as much fun solving these riddles as we did, don't forget to share them with your friends.